Hi and welcome to episode number 648 with whatsforchow.com. Today's episode is a public awareness episode. Over the festive season, my sister-in-law came to visit. While she was here, she prepared a creamy custard fridge tart. This is a tart that she can make in her sleep. It is super simple and absolutely fail-proof. Until now, that is. It seems that a company based in the Far East has taken it upon themselves to make fake condensed milk. It cannot be used for baking or any purpose that requires condensed milk as the active ingredient. Fridge tarts will not set, and anything similar is bound to fail. The product is packaged exactly the same as real condensed milk. However, a quick look at the ingredients and all is exposed. The fake product contains sugar, milk powder, not full cream milk as the real product, and refined palm oil. In addition to this, it contains a soy-based emulsifier, probably lecithin, to bind the water and the oil, and a stabilizer, probably zanthan gum, to stop precipitation of the milk powder in the mixture. Real condensed milk contains sugar and full cream milk. Here is one of the real brands. As you can see, it only contains sugar and full cream milk. Lactose is added in varying quantities, as this varies in every batch of milk. Lactose is the sugar found naturally in milk. Lactose is added in the condensed milk for the sole purpose of consistency. On opening a can of this rubbish, there is a noticeable difference in color. It is much darker than the real condensed milk. It is also noticeably thinner in consistency. On tasting it, I must say that it is almost as creamy and smooth as real condensed milk. However, the dairy flavor is almost entirely absent. If you buy condensed milk to sweeten your tea or coffee, then this might do the job. It is certainly cheaper than condensed milk. However, if you're planning any type of baking or candy making, then I would absolutely avoid this product. You will waste much more money on spoiled ingredients than you stand to save by buying it. In my opinion, the FDA and similar food control organizations around the world should be doing a better job of stemming the influx of these rubbish products into our countries. In the meantime, if you are buying condensed milk, read the ingredients. There should be nothing other than full cream milk, sugar, and lactose. That's it for today, folks. Please share this with your friends and family, and we'll see you again real soon.